So this is the back part and it's ready, and that's how it looks. It's longer. In your case it can be the same as the front part. Double check. It has to be, you see, everything is equal, the same number of rows. So put aside, and now you will need also the hook 6 millimeters. We are going to start crocheting sleeves. Chain 56, but chain with a hook 7 millimeters. We are going to use 6 millimeters hook only for the ribbon. So chain 56, and then you're going to change the hook. Take the 6 millimeters crochet hook, make chain 1, and then into the second chain from hook make a single crochet and 7 more single crochet, so in total 8. This is the ribbon part and it can be wider, so you can make 9 stitches or 10. So 5 and 3 more single crochet, 1 2 3. Let me show what we have. I know the yarn is a little bit dark, but I hope that you can see it. And now you change, and that's what you're going to do always. Now you take the hook 7 millimeters and go on with the main pattern till the end of this row. Make half double crochet into the each chain. Like this, and go on till the end. And that's what we have now. I'm at the end, and we are going to start making increases. So chain 1 and into the second chain, and again through the back loop as we did before. We are going to make 2 half double crochet. Yarn over, 1 half double crochet, and into the same chain the second one. That's it. We did increase and go on making half double crochet into each stitch. And don't forget, and I will show you, we are going to stop before the ribbon part and we're going to change again the hook, but I will show you. Like this, go on till the end and stop before the ribbon part here. Here you can count. If you doubt where to stop, just count stitches and change the hook and make 8 single crochet. Same, you're going to make single crochet through the back loop. 2 3 4 5. I always want to make a yarn over, and 3 more. 6 7 and the last one 8, and that's how it looks. Row number 3, make a chain 1. Now you don't need to change the hook, and make again 8 single crochet, and one more. Now chain the hook and go on, making half double crochet through the back loop. Like this. Go on finishing the row number 3. I stopped at the end because I want to show you that you are going to crochet one more half double crochet into the stitch that we added, like this. So now chain 1, and row number 4 will be the same as row number 2. You're going to make increase into the second chain from the hook, make 2 half double crochet, and go on with 1 half double crochet into each chain. Again, don't forget through the back loop. Finish this row at the end. This is row number 4. Don't forget to change the hook, and please go on repeating last 2 rows until you have in total 15 rows. So we've done 4, you will need to make 11 more. That's what I have, and increases. So now we are going to start making decreases. Please pay attention where is my yarn, working yarn now. And row number 16, using hook 7 millimeters, I'm going to start making decreases. Chain 1, now make decrease as we did before. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch, then yarn over, insert the hook into the next after, yarn over, and pull through all loops on your hook. This is the first yarn over. Now go on crocheting half double crochet till the ribbon part, and as before, when you reach the cuff, change the hook, crochet the cuff, and then go on crocheting row number 17. Here I am at the end of the row number 17, and to make a decrease at the end, you need to finish crocheting this row, not as we did before, like we left one stitch unworked, but finish this row, then turn, and row number 18 will be the same as row number 16. Chain 1 and make a decrease. Yarn over again, insert the hook into the next stitch after, and pull through all 5 loops on the hook. And go on with half double crochet. So like this, you go on repeating row number 16 and row number 17 until you uh, make decreases and return to the initial number of stitches. After that, crochet another sleeve, and we are going to join all parts together, and it will be a little bit challenging, but good luck anyway.